Hey everyone, what if I told you there's a platform where you can actually make real money online? I know we've all heard that promise before. You've probably tried countless apps and websites that claim you can earn big, only to find they're complicated or just a waste of time. It's so frustrating trying to find something that's actually legitimate. Well, today I want to introduce you to Paidwork.com. This is a genuine platform designed to help you earn money online, right from your computer or phone. It's completely free to join and incredibly user-friendly, which is a huge plus for everyone. I have to say, Paidwork definitely stands out from the crowd. I was skeptical, but I decided to give it a shot, and you won't believe it. I found this platform and I've already made 72 rupees. It happened so quickly I was genuinely surprised. No complicated hoops to jump through, just straightforward tasks and fast rewards. It's one of the easiest ways I've found to earn money online with speed. Compared to other platforms out there, this is one of the best. The interface is clean, and the earning options are varied. You can earn by playing fun games, watching short videos, and even taking simple surveys, so if you're looking for a reliable way to make some extra cash in your spare time, you absolutely have to try it out. Plus, there's a fantastic bonus. By inviting your friends, you can get rewarded up to 600 rupees instantly. It's a great way to boost your earnings even faster. Don't wait. Check out Paidwork.com today. So, what makes Paidwork a standout choice? It's all about simplicity and variety. The platform is incredibly user-friendly, with a diverse range of earning methods tailored to fit any schedule, whether you have 5 minutes or an hour. This isn't a one-trick pony, it's a full suite of opportunities. Let's dive into how you can earn. First up for the gamers, playing games. Paidwork partners with developers who will pay you to test their new titles. You can earn by reaching certain levels, completing in-game tasks, or just for your playtime. Imagine turning your daily commute into a paid gaming session. It's a fantastic way to combine entertainment with earning. Next, filling out surveys. Companies will pay for your valuable insights on new products and ads. The key is to fill out your profile survey thoroughly to get matched with more relevant, higher-paying surveys. This initial step is crucial for unlocking the best opportunities. While you won't qualify for every single one, dedicating time each day can lead to steady earnings. Your opinion has real value here. How about getting paid to watch videos? This method is as easy as it sounds. You'll watch short video clips, often ads or sponsored content. It's a perfect passive earning activity for when you're relaxing or multitasking. Each video adds a small amount to your balance, but it adds up over time. Then there are microtasks. These are small, simple online jobs like data entry or categorizing images. Each task takes just a few minutes, making it ideal for those spare moments in your day. The more accurate you are, the more tasks you'll be offered. It's a flexible way to monetize small pockets of free time. For savvy shoppers, there's online shopping. This is a cashback portal. Before you buy from your favorite online stores, just click through the Paidwork platform first to earn a percentage of your purchase back as cash. You're getting paid for shopping you were already doing. It's a no-brainer way to boost your earnings. The beauty of Paidwork is its flexibility. Access all these methods from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. And getting started couldn't be easier. The sign-up process is completely free, with no subscription fees or hidden costs. Just create an account and you can start exploring these opportunities immediately. But the earning doesn't stop with your own efforts. Paidwork features a generous referral program. Invite a friend with your unique link, and when they make their first withdrawal, you both receive a cash bonus. It's a true win-win, helping your friends earn while you boost your own balance by stacking these passive bonuses. It's a great way to grow together. While some users have reported small earnings or occasional payment delays, while individual experiences can vary, the general consensus online is overwhelmingly positive. On platforms like SiteJabber, thousands of users have shared their success stories, confirming that many others find it a legitimate way to earn extra money. These reviews often praise the platform's user-friendly interface and the wide variety of earning opportunities. So, if you're looking for a flexible platform to make some extra income online without any investment, Paidwork is an excellent choice. A key benefit is the low withdrawal threshold, meaning you can access your earnings relatively quickly and without hassle. Plus, you can boost your income with the referral program. Simply share your unique link, and when friends sign up and earn, you get a commission, a simple way to create a passive income stream. With all these benefits, you should definitely give Paidwork a try. It's completely free to sign up, and you can start earning in just a few minutes. Head over to Paidwork.com. You might be surprised by how quickly those small earnings add up to something significant.